Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my all online students. Welcome back with Miss Nini Septi Aulia. Of course, your favorite teacher. How are you today? I hope you are doing good and ready to learn with me today. In the previous meeting, we have learned about descriptive text. I hope you still remember about what the points in descriptive text. In the further meeting, we are going to learn how to share our thoughts through giving and asking for opinion. Have you ever heard what is opinion before? Stay tuned, and here I would like to share and tell you about opinion. And what is opinion? Opinion is a personal view, judgment, or belief about a particular topic based on feeling, expressions, or interpretation. Jadi di dalam bahasa Indonesia, opinion adalah pendapat yang bisa berupa personal view, pandangan seseorang, judgment, penilaian, belief yaitu kepercayaan terhadap sesuatu berdasarkan feelings, perasaan, experiences, pengalaman atau interpretasi dari seseorang. Kemudian, asking for opinion. So, asking opinion means requesting someone's thoughts, view, or ideas about a certain topic or issue that used to find out what someone thinks or feels about something. So, asking for opinion adalah meminta pendapat kepada seseorang mengenai perasaan, ide, atau pandangan orang lain terhadap suatu topik. Kemudian, giving opinion. Giving opinion means expressing your personal thoughts, ideas, belief, or judgment about a topic, situation, or issue. Jadi, giving opinion adalah ketika kita memberikan pandangan pribadi kita atau ide atau kepercayaan kepada orang lain mengenai suatu isu untuk memecahkan masalah atau merespon terhadap suatu pertanyaan. And then, in asking and giving opinion, there are two atmosphere when we would like to asking or giving for opinion. First, in informal situation and formal situation. First, informal situation. In informal situation is when you express your opinion in casual or relaxed conversation, like when you just have a conversation with your family or your friends. Jadi, ada dua suasana atau dua ketentuan dalam memberikan dan meminta pendapat. Yang pertama, di situasi informal. Di situasi informal adalah ketika kita mengekspresikan atau memberikan pendapat yang lebih santai, seperti ketika kita sedang berbicara dengan keluarga atau teman. And then formal situation. Informal situation is when you express your opinion in official or serious settings, such as presentation, academic discussion, meetings in office, or etc. In this context, you have to use polite and structured language. Yang kedua yaitu dalam situasi formal. Dalam situasi ini adalah ketika mengekspresikan pendapat atau meminta pendapat dalam situasi formal atau keadaan yang serius, seperti dalam rapat di kantor, diskusi akademik, presentasi, dan sebagainya. Di dalam formal situasi, kita harus menggunakan bahasa yang sopan dan terstruktur. So, these are the example of how to expressing of asking for our opinions. Do you have any idea? Do you have any opinion on? What is your reaction to blah blah blah? What are you feeling about? Please give me your opinion about blah blah blah. Example, do you have any idea for our lunch today? And then formal situation. The example for formal situation is, what do you think of blah blah blah? What do you think about blah blah blah? What is your opinion about? Do you think it's blah blah blah? For example, what do you think of my outfit today? And then these are the example of expressions of giving opinion. In formal situation, we can say, I personally believe, I hold the opinion, my own view of the matter is, if I had my view, I would. For example, I personally believe that our government is very responsible. And then in informal situation, I think that blah blah blah. In my opinion, I would rather blah blah blah. What I have in mind is, for the first example, I think that you are messy today. Okay, here I would like to show you a videos about two men that express their asking and giving opinion. Let's watch out.
Hi, Zach.
Hi, Corbin. What are you reading at?
Oh, I'm reading a novel, but in English. How about you?
I'm going to work on some math exercises.
Wow. Which one do you think easier, math or English?
Well, I think math is easier. How about you?
No, I don't. I think math makes me dizzy. I prefer English than math. What do you think, Zach?
I don't think so. Personally, I think math has its characteristic that makes me feel excited. Well, English is also cool, but I prefer math than English.
You think so? I appreciate it. Everyone has their own choice.
Thank you, Corbin.
Okay, from the last video, we can know how to express our giving and asking for opinion in appropriate way. Okay, maybe that's all for today. Thank you very much for your kind attention. I hope you understand what giving and asking opinion, and I hope you can apply giving and asking opinion in appropriate way. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.